I'm going to show you the Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder. Now this is one of my go-to attachments for all my grating needs. It basically replaces the box grater of your kitchen. So the slicer shredder comes with 3 drums. You get a coarse grating drum, a fine grating drum, and you also get a slicing drum. Very, very simple. The drums just pop into place, and to eject them, there's just a little eject button on the other side of the attachment, so they're very easy to remove as well. The drums are fine to go in the dishwasher, in the top part of your dishwasher, as well as your pusher, but the body of the machine must be hand washed only. Okay, so let me show you some grating. So I've got my coarse grating drum in there. I'm just going to turn the mixer onto speed 4, and I'm going to grate my carrot. So you have a 2-piece feed tube. I'm going to use the littler one for my carrot because it fits in there nice and snug. You just want to add gentle pressure. You don't want to push too hard. Just let the machine do the work. So I use this attachment a lot for my zucchini slices, grating my cheese for pizza. Lots of different things. So that's our carrot. So you can see it's a beautiful grate there. I love that grate. Now I'm going to use my fine drum. I'm going to eject the large one. Pop the fine drum in here. So this fine drum is also great for chocolate, Parmesan cheese, biscuits for your cheesecake bases, lots of different things. I'm going to use the wide feed tube now for my cheese. Pop that down once again, speed 4, and just let the attachment and the mixer do the work. So I love this cheese. Beautiful. The slicing drum is great if you're doing for your potato bakes, your veggie prep. Easy, grating done.